Welcome to our video comparison of the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the L7C Pro KIT gimbals. If you're a content creator looking to enhance your video quality, you've come to the right place. Today, we will delve into the features of both gimbals, examining their stabilization capabilities, fill light options, and user-friendly controls. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus boasts advanced stabilization technology and a magnetic fill light, while the L7C Pro KIT offers AI tracking and gesture control. Let's find out which gimbal suits your needs best. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus features the iSteady 7.0 anti-shake technology, which provides excellent stabilization for smooth video capture. In contrast, the L7C Pro KIT utilizes a 9.0 anti-shake technology, designed to enhance stability even further. Both gimbals aim to eliminate shaky footage, but the choice may depend on the specific stabilization needs of the user. When it comes to lighting, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus includes a magnetic fill light with adjustable settings, allowing for optimal lighting conditions during shoots. On the other hand, the L7C Pro KIT features an adjustable fill light with 3 color temperatures and 9 brightness levels, providing flexibility for various filming environments. Both options enhance video quality, but the choice may depend on the specific lighting needs of the user. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus relies on physical controls for mode selection and adjustments, which can be intuitive for users familiar with traditional gimbals. Conversely, the L7C Pro KIT incorporates gesture control, allowing users to operate the gimbal without needing to touch it, making it particularly user-friendly for quick adjustments during filmings. This difference in control mechanisms may influence your choice based on your filming style. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the L7C Pro KIT offer unique features that cater to different user needs. The iSteady Mobile Plus excels in stabilization and lighting, while the L7C Pro KIT stands out with its AI tracking and gesture control. Depending on your priorities as a content creator, one may be more suitable for you than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.